Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Amiguitas, bienvenidas a mi canal. Today friends, I'm just gonna briefly show you how to make this cute little Easter or spring little parfait cup. Real simple and easy. Let's get started friends. Okay friends, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I mix my spackle up. And I'm using some of the Dollar Tree spackle because I have a bunch of it that I need to use up. And this is what it looks like. It's not bright white. So I just take it and I put it in a little Tupperware bowl that I use just for fake baked stuff.
It probably looks bright white on camera because we have a light overhead shining off of it.
That's right.
And the exposure, but in person it looks more like a...
it's an off-white.
Yeah, it's an off-white for sure.
I know, and I know this is a mess, and Cindy would have a cow, but because I didn't clean that off. But anyway, so I stick it in here, or I just put it in here, and kind of break it up a little bit. Then I take apple barrel,
Hang on a second. There we go.
white paint, and I just squirt. I never measure, friends, so I don't know what to tell you. Just I just kind of squirt some in there. Okay, so I'm going to start with that. And I've got some water in this spray bottle, and I'm going to give it a couple of squirts of water, and I'm going to start mixing it. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's already turning a real bright white color. Can you tell the difference, Eric?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be a little hard to tell on camera, but I can definitely tell in person. The more blown out it gets on camera, the whiter it is.
I failed to explain this step in our last video, and I apologize for that, friends. I know a lot of you are new to fake baking, and you were asking me how I made the whipped topping. But see, it looks like Cool Whip. When it gets to this consistency, it's good, friends.
And part of that's my fault. I like to try and keep everything as condensed as possible. Well, I like to try and keep stuff condensed so that videos don't end up too long. And we do this in a lot of different videos, so it gets very repetitive.
And I forgot to. I totally forgot to mention it. See, that looks like Cool Whip right there. That's good enough. I'm going to go ahead and seal it because I have some ready. This is going to be really quick and easy. I've got a little glass, I don't know, what do you call it? It's like a little Parfait, little coffee cup from Dollar Tree. And I think I'm going to start off with the green. I've already got my spackled dyed with the paint.
So you did the same thing like you just did with the white paint, but using different color paint to mix in there?
Yes, instead of the white, I put the green, the pink, and the yellow. And all I did, I just made that one last night. All I did was just made sure that it touched the sides. Just went around.
So you're just going in a circle up against the glass wall?
Yes. Friends, you cannot go wrong. I promise you. Look at that.
It's looking like a nice little St. Patty's Day drink. I'd love that.
I know. I'm going to make some, but not on camera for St. Patrick's, but I've got some crafts I'm going to make for St. Patrick's, and I think I'm just going to post them on my community tab and my Facebook group page. I think I'm going to use the pink next, or the yellow. The yellow. Let's do the same thing with the yellow. All right. And I know I had promised some viewers I was going to do the carrot, but it's been so humid.
Yeah, didn't
Here.
you say you tried to make one the other day?
I
and
tried.
The
They won't
humidity
dry, and then they ran. The thing just
turned out like
it just
not good. No bueno.
No bueno.
That's
Like
a no bueno.
look at this. See, I'm going another level of color on this one.
Oh, going over the top, huh?
Yes, because I just kind of briefly did this one last night because I had several viewers and subscribers that sent me a picture of something similar to this and asked me if I would make one of these. And I thought, well, looks kind of easy, but
To be fair as well, there's many times too where like I don't know what my schedule's gonna be like, and then all of a sudden that night I'm like, okay, tomorrow's freed up enough to film a video. So then I'm texting my mom at night like, hey, let's film a video tomorrow, and she's having to just like go whip something up. So
yeah. But I've always got an idea of something I want to do. Like I already have an idea for next video, and it's going to be entirely different. Going to get off the fake bake for a while. Okay, friends.
That looks cool. Takes you back to your Dairy Queen days, huh?
Yeah, I was a Dairy Queen sweetheart for 5 years.
Whatever that
Out of
means.
high school. I worked at Dairy Queen. Look at that, friends. Is that not cute? You can make it spring. It doesn't have to be Easter. It can be a little spring mug. You can give it as a teacher gift, a friendship gift, a neighbor gift. Or you can keep it for yourself. Let's decorate it. I'm going to start with my pink party glitter, my chunky glitter. And I'm going to sprinkle it on here. And then I'm going to put some white. And friends, I'm just showing you this because I don't want you to be intimidated. This is so easy to do. I had never done it before. And I probably wouldn't have done it if I wouldn't have been coached a little bit. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to put a cherry on this one.
And where'd you get that cherry from?
I ordered these cherries. I'm going to put a little glue on it, Eric.
Okay.
I ordered these cherries on Amazon, but this was last year, so
What did you search? Or was it just fake cherries?
I don't remember. I think so, probably. Because I ordered cherries and I ordered apples, which I cannot find. I have somewhere in the move. And I ordered, what did I order? Green apples and red apples.
Are those your rice sprinkles, by the way?
Yes, these are my rice sprinkles that I'm sprinkling on here. Okay, where's my tool? And I'm just going to press them down a little bit with this little tool that my friend gave me.
Yeah, I noticed. I think there was one or two people that were asking last time, like, how do you get your stuff to stay without falling off? But I guess
I just press it in
some
here.
of it does fall off, but I guess a lot of it you push it in, and then as it cures, it
You know
tends to
what?
hold
A
it.
viewer actually told me that she puts her, I think her like all the stuff that she's going to put on her that she's going to use to decorate, she puts it in a box and then sprays it with either hairspray or spray adhesive and then puts the glitter over it and then sticks it on there, and she says that it stays real well.
Nice. I have to try this.
I know, I should have tried it today. Oh, look how cute this is going to look. Oh, maybe I'll do, which one? What do you think, Eric?
Let's see. Man. Okay, I'm gonna have to toss out the one in your right hand. I think it's between the middle and the left.
How about this one?
I think that I feel you can't go wrong with that.
I'm going to do this.
It's a little classic looking.
Oh, these look so cute, just I like to have them in my kitchen area.
Which, by the way, I noticed you got a brand new apron.
Oh, yeah. I decorated it myself. I couldn't find an Easter apron that I liked, and I don't have an Easter apron already. So I just bought this pastel one at Hobby Lobby and decided to just cut some of those little peeps out of that glittered fun foam with adhesive in the back. And look, friends, it worked out perfect. Let's see, does it need a bow?
Does anything need a bow? No, but you might as well put it on there.
I'm going to put a bow on there, dress it up. Friends, I went to the Dollar Tree this morning, and I was so excited because my husband had to have physical therapy in town, so I got to go to Dollar Tree right when it opened, and they actually had some Easter ribbon. I was so excited.
So since I was telling you not to spread gossip,
Oh, yeah.
what did you go do instead? She got the facts, at least for our area.
Oh, yeah. I walked in there and I spoke to the manager and I said, I heard a rumor. I heard that on March 14th, the $1.25 is going up to $2, or are you getting a $2 item to include? And he said, no such thing in this area. He said, I don't anticipate us doing anything like that. And he said, not in the state of Texas. I don't know, but that's what he told me. So there you go, friends.
We all know many people that don't get the memo these days, so who knows?
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I just love it. And I think I'm going to leave it alone because I don't want it to be Eastery. I just want it to be spring-like. And I think that is enough spring on there. Look at that. Turned out so cute. See, and it's taller than this one because it's got another color.
And the other one's a perfect example if you want to decorate for Easter.
Right. These would be so cute as just like if you had some kind of a little luncheon or something just to have as a little gift to give to your friends to take home or to decorate for a 50s party. That would be so cute. Now, friends, right quick, I'm going to show you. I had this picture in the last video. These are actually real marshmallow rainbow candy that I got at the Dollar Tree.
I came in and asked her, I said, what did you make those out of? And she was like, marshmallow.
Because
I was like, oh, they're real? And she said, yeah. And I was like, they look just like, almost like the carrots you made.
They smell so good.
Hold on. You're moving all over the place. I got zoomed in tight. I can't move quick. There we go.
Ándale, Riquito.
Just saying, I'm giving everybody motion sickness every time your hands.
I know, friends. Somebody actually told me that I made them dizzy. Sorry, friends.
That's why I try to get you to slow down sometimes.
But okay, I didn't finish decorating it. I didn't even show you. I just kind of used some leftover topping. But I'm going to decorate it for you because this is like I don't know if it was a pickle relish or just a pickle jar, something. Friends, you don't have to spend any money, really. You can use things that you have. I'm going to put just a little ribbon. I think I saw something like this on our Facebook group page, which, by the way, congratulations to us. How many members did we reach?
10,000.
10,000.
So I've been told.
Friends, we love and appreciate you so much. Thank you for sharing all your pretty crafts with us. I just couldn't believe it.
I can't actually do anything that you're doing.
I'm just gluing the ribbon right there. And I'm going to glue this bow in front right quick. All it takes is a little scrap. To dress this up. But reason that I wanted to show you this was because I'm going to do something else to it right quick. I've got a little piece of parchment paper here and a little piece of cardboard underneath it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this around the bottom. Now, I don't know if this is the right tip I should be using, but I'm determined because I saw this done. And it looks so cute. And we shall see if it stays or not. I will share with you the outcome, whether it works or not.
You think it would have stuck better if...
Now you tell me.
Well, no, I've never seen you do this. I've never seen you do half this stuff. I'm always just thinking in my head.
I've never done this before on glass like this.
Well, I was almost wondering because I know you like to do, even when you use spackle, you still like to use hot glue. I'm surprised you didn't do hot glue all the way around the outside of the glass and then do that on top of it.
Oh.
That way it ensured that it stuck to it.
Well, we shall see.
But it was just, I don't know, it may not even be a good idea. It may be terrible.
I don't know, but I just think this is so cute. And like I said, friends, I do stuff for me, my friends, and now my Christmas crafts I do plan on selling, and I plan to have a booth again for fall. And I can't wait to start on Christmas crafts. In fact, I want to do one real quick. What do you think, Eric?
Today?
Friends, let me know if y'all are ready for a Christmas craft. We could make it a fun Friday craft or something. A surprise Friday craft. Look at that. I think it's going to be so cute. Okay, so... Okay, friends, just another idea of a quick and inexpensive upcycled little jar there.
Is that jar supposed to eventually come off the parchment paper?
Yeah, as soon as that dries, it'll just come off the... It's just like wax paper.
No, I know that. I was just curious.
Don't scare me, Eric.
I'm just thinking out loud.
Friends, I'll let you know how this turned out. Okay, friends, until next time, just remember, life is not a dress rehearsal. Let's make it count, okay? Do what you are passionate about, all right? Show love and embrace life. Love you, friends.